losing time, I'm fading fast.
I need to get done. It's 8 o'clock. I did eat breakfast, so that's all done. But today's going to be a good day. Today's going to be a good day. Another day of training. Still in Johannesburg. What a comfy bed.
And sometimes you just gotta
I was up early, but I somehow still manage to be late. He's packing my stuff in the car already. And he hates being late, so.
It's tragic, we're not all elastic.
Okay, on a scale of 1 to 10, how late are we? Did I give her the key?
I gave her the key.
How did you give the key? You're quicker.
Yes.
Yes.
Don't mess around, eh?
Yeah, so
let's do this.
on a scale of 1 to 10, how late are we?
Very late.
Very late.
Very late.
Are we going to make it in time?
We'll make it not in time.
We're not going to be in time.
No.
So is this like one of those moments where you just blame it on slaps that...
Yeah. Exactly that.
We're like, yeah, you know, he's from Cape Town.
Yeah, I blame it on the Cape Townian.
Yeah. It was okay. It wasn't Shaun, it really wasn't. He was on time, in fact he was ahead of time by 15 minutes, is it?
Yeah, as I always am.
Yeah. 15 minutes ahead of time. And I had a good night's rest. I have nothing to complain about. You know, like I don't know what's the problem. I have no issues. For me, didn't go to bed too late. I obviously wasn't editing this video. I was editing the previous day's video. And then I had a lekker sleep. So, what's the problem, Shaun? Why are you mad?
I think it's part of your lessons and your education. And you did it on purpose because it's actually to teach preparation is key.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, preparation.
Always be prepared.
Always be prepared. I'm prepared.
And be on time.
9:05. Still made it. I don't know what the problem was. How's the weather today? Eh? Not bad, eh? Not hot, not cold, not raining, not sun, no wind. It's just like a lekker overcast day. I'm sure this is what Europe feels like.
Very warm welcome. You know, you have to clap. Sexual knowledge, you know, ladies and church. Guys, give it up for 1.
And how you break everything out into sections.
I call it a cutthroat. The aha moment is that it's not a cutthroat, it's actually a straight cut razor. So
the 9 sections, the way you do the beard.
Knowing that men do shave at home, but when they come to the barber shop, we actually giving them a luxury shave.
And the angles you turn the head and making sure that the customer is comfortable. Learning that there are actually risks in shaving with a straight edge blade, and you know, so we have to pinpoint, take out those risks and identify those risks, and also to reduce those risks, the measures we use and methods we use to reduce the risks in order to give the client a luxury shave.